Today we're going to bring some beautiful scones, and these are actually glass, so you got to be careful. They're threaded, so you actually insert them in the base. All right, now these are pretty good. Pretty much you could set up any way you want, straight, parallel, or vertical, however you want. I think we're going to go this way so we can actually shine more light, or we could even go up and down. It's up to you, however you want to set these up. Now you get 3 cables in the back: ground, hot, and neutral. And then light bulbs are not included, so we're going to set these up right now and see how beautiful they look. Now you gotta have to remove the actual screws from the both ends, and that's pretty much it. That's how they hang in there. Alright, as you can see, we have the light bulbs, the glass itself. You could set it up however you want, parallel or vertical, however you want. If you have dimmable lights, look how beautiful they look at night when you're trying to dim them down. So we're going to dim them down so you guys can see the lights, how beautiful they look. It gives it a good atmosphere anywhere you set them up. And then we're going to light them up even higher. Now, we do have a different light bulb that we could actually change different lights, different settings for any occasion. This is a beautiful lamp that you can set up. I like the glass that comes with. It's well protected. This is for indoor only. It's not outdoor light, but you could put this in your hallway, your entrances, anywhere you want. So very simple, out of the box. Hope you guys enjoy the video.